All right, so I just ripped this open and we're gonna take a look at what's inside the box. And yeah, this is the mod that I was referring to in the last video. And I can't wait to finally mix it up a little. And here we go. Alright guys, so there's something that has been bothering me for a little while, and that is this right here. I put this on when I first got the car, and you know, I kept the regular Hemi, but then I added the 345 on there. And you know, quite a few people have mistaken this for a 392, and that is certainly not what I want. So I will be replacing it with that, the 5.7 liter. And I got these on Amazon, and they're pretty good quality. They're not OEM, but they'll definitely do the trick. They have the 3M tape on the back, so it should be a fairly easy install. One of my major concerns was the 5, the red lettering. I wanted that to really stick out, and so typically I don't mess with chrome, but you know, I really wanted that outline. I want people to know that this is a 5.7, and yeah, you know, that's kind of why I did this. The 345, I wanted it to be big, bold, but obviously people are seeing this and thinking that I'm, you know, trying to make it appear as though it's a 392. So this will take care of that. So let's get started. So basically, in order for me to remove this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tape to make sure that I'm positioning it correctly on both sides. So that's what the tape is going to be used for. Then I'm going to use the blow dryer to place on the decals or the emblems to warm up the glue on the other side. And that's when these little toothpicks will come in handy. I will pluck them off, and then I will clean the area. So that's what my chemical guys right here is. Just filled the bucket, and my microfiber towel to kind of, you know, wipe it down and make sure that it's nice and clean for the installation. And I'll do it on both sides. And we're gonna see what how these look. I think it'll fit really nice in with this black and blue kind of theme that I have going. So we'll do one side and I'll let you know how it goes. And this is basically the mess you are left. All right, so I have one side done. We're gonna move on to the next side. And I'll tell you, this looks slick. You can definitely tell it's a 5.7. I like the blacked out look. It matches the rims, everything. That black and blue, and then the nice touch of red. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Let me know what you guys think of it. Yeah, Yeah, I honestly, I think this looks much better. Fits the overall black and blue theme of the car. I think it looks slick. And I don't think many people are going to confuse this with a 392 anymore. This is a 5.7. Damn proud of it. The baby Hemi that hurts feelings.